ones, welcome back to again my YouTube channels and on my Facebook. Today the front of you again I have called one new student on this place for discussing something about of daily work and more specific point about I have to discuss with this boy, and he is a beginner students and like of beginner things just I am going to have with this boy. It first to tell me what is your well name?
What is your
Yeah, about of your name I am asking you. Your name you tell.
My name is Rupesh Kumar.
Great boy. Your name is Rupesh. Okay. In which class do you read, Rupesh?
6th class.
You are reading in 6th class.
Yeah.
Great boy. Okay. You understand English?
Yeah.
Great boy. Okay. Do you know tense? Yeah. How many kinds of the tense do you know?
Yes.
How many kinds of the tense? Can you tell me name of tense?
Tense.
Yeah. Present.
Present tense, past tense, future tense.
Okay. You have not need to hustle. Understand it? You understand exactly well. As I am asking of you, according that try to answer to me. Okay. You have not need to fumble anywhere. You will not have to speak like of refer. Understanding? As you are knowing, according that you answer to me. You do not distract to minds the view of camera. Understanding? If you distract the minds the view of the camera, you will not be able to answer. Understanding? You will not be eligible for telling of any kind of a thing with very well. Okay. For speaking too well, you will have to keep up your mind just the way of me. What I will ask to you about that, you listen carefully and you answer to me very helpfully. Okay. Next question I am going to ask of you. How many kinds of the tense did you tell to me? There are 3. Present tense.
Past tense, future tense.
Okay, please you speak with louder understanding as your voice will be reached the way of my camera and our voice will be captured well. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me how many kinds of present tense are there?
Present tense.
Yeah, there are 4. 4 kinds of
Yeah.
present tense. Can you tell me name present tense?
Present tense.
Present tense. Simple.
Present.
Okay, simple present tense. Good. Name. Simple present tense after that.
Subject.
Structure I am not asking you. I am asking you name of present tense. Okay.
Present tense.
Present indefinite tense.
Present indefinite tense. Present
Good. Present in.
perfect tense.
Yeah, good.
Present
Per-
perfect tense.
uh,
Present perfect continuous tense.
Okay. Present indefinite tense, present imperfect tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. I think our little bit mind is going the way of camera. That's why you are unable to understand of my English sentences or words. Okay. You will have to keep up your mind exactly on my speaking way. Okay. Okay. Next, you tell to me. Do you know the structure of present perfect tense?
Present perfect tense.
Yeah. Say me.
Subject plus the1.
Present perfect tense.
Present perfect tense.
Yeah.
Subject plus have has plus be3 plus
Great boy. Subject plus have has plus B3 plus object. I think. Do you know voice?
was
Yeah. Can you transform of this sentence into passive voice? Yeah. Subject plus have has object.
plus have has plus b3 plus
Been
plus b3 plus by plus
subject. Okay. Subject no object plus have has been B3 plus by plus subject. Something you have little bit hesitation, but now you have started for taking the class, and if you are telling like this that you are really very excellent and you are tremendous. According to the times you will be improved. Understanding? Next one I am going to ask of you about the structure of past imperfect.
past
Imperfect. Yeah.
subject plus
Mm.
was where plus where plus before plus object.
Okay. Can you change of this sentence also in passive voice?
Object plus was
What?
where plus
Being
being plus b3 plus
by plus subject. Okay. Object plus whatever being with plus by plus subject. You speak boldly. Understanding? You speak expansively. You do not keep up any little bit. What? Suspense inside of the minds. What? There is running in your minds. You try to broach the front of brains. Understanding? If you will be exposed to every kinds of the thing, then all of the fear, all of the suspense, just this will be removed from your mind. And if you not try to remove of that, till then it is not to go automatically. Understanding? You will have to push up. You will have to push. for removing of that kinds of the problem which is in your mind. Understanding? Okay. Can you tell me about of daily work sentences? Okay, now I am going to ask of you any sentences from the part of daily work. You will have to tell to me. Okay, मैं सुबह सोकर उठा. What I will say of the sentence into English?
I got up in the morning.
Great boy. मैं बिस्तर से नीचे आया.
I came from the bed.
Okay, I came down from the bed. I came down from the bed. Next sentence I am going to ask of you. मैं भगवान का नाम लिया.
I took name of the God.
Very good. I took the name of the God. Great boy. Okay, मैं दरवाजे के पास गया. मैं दरवाजे के पास गया. Okay, okay. I went to the door. Very good. I went to the door. Okay. मैं खाना खाया. Great boy. मैं पानी पिया.
I drank water.
Great boy. Okay. मैं नदी गया.
I went river.
I went to river. Okay. Means which work you have done about that sentence. If anyone who will ask of you, then that sentence you will have to use to giving of verb to form. What will you give? Okay. The verb forms. What should be there? V2. What should be? Whatever works have been done by all of us. And if anyone who will ask me any kinds of the sentences, then with that verb, which form we will go to use? We will go to use there V2. What we will go to use? V2. Understand? As मैं पटना गया.
मैं पटना गया.
हाँ. I went to
पटना.
I went to. Okay. मैं जाता हूँ.
मैं जाता हूँ. I
go. I go. Understand? मैं जा रहा हूँ.
मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am
going. Okay. मैं जा चुका हूँ.
I have
gone. Okay. I have gone. मैं घर जा रहा था.
मैं घर जा रहा. I am.
No. I was
going to
house. Okay. I was going to house. Great. You tell to me. मैं घर जा चुका था.
मैं घर जा चुका.
I have चुका था.
I had
gone to house. Going no, because this work has been done exactly. Understanding or not? We have to use V3 and the V3 with that verb. Understanding, which is coming in this sentence. Okay. Some of the students are distracting the mind of this boy because you all are making a noise to sitting there. But before chatting with this boy, I had informed you all students, you will have to sit silent. You do not disturb to anyone. If he is answering me any kinds of the thing, then you do not try to distract the mind of anyone else. But you did not understand of my advice which I had given of you before making of this video. It's not good habit. I am telling of you, it first you improve upon habit. When anyone who is discussing of anything at that moment, you should not gossip with each another persons sitting. But you all are behaving like of a riffraff. It's not good. Great. Okay. Again, I will ask of you some more questions in my next video. For till then, bye bye. Thank you. And you will have to struggle much. Okay. Go on.